everyone. Today, I am going to unbox DOMCS Smart Kit. Are you ready? Let's go! Watch till end. This eraser is literally a fantastic eraser ever. Let's see what's next. Wow, this is so cool. This watercolor is nice and attractive. Next, wow, this is awesome. 2 colors in 1 pencil. Just wow! This is the coolest pencil for sketch. Must try this is. This is a fabulous oil pastels for drawing. Next item is amazing. Watercolor pens. Wow! Smooth drawing ever. I am so excited for this item. Groove plastic crayons 20 for color shades. Let's unbox this item. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, this color is awesome. Guys, let's see what's next. A big wheel eraser is just awesome. Next, this is coloring book for kids. This kit is so creative, I like it so much. Guys, thanks for watching this. I hope you like it. Please like and subscribe. Ta-da!